Now that Donald Trump has banned TikTok, how do you get that fun searchability and engagement for your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels. Make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to give you 3 video ideas that you can start doing today. To access Reels, go to the Explore page in Instagram. It'll be the first post. Click on it and you're in Reels. Instagram's algorithm shows you the videos it thinks you'd like. However, you can help it by showing it the videos that you don't like. It's kind of like Tinder. To do so, click on the 3 dots on the bottom of the screen and select Not Interested. Now, Instagram will show you fewer of those types of posts. It's essentially the swipe left of Instagram. With Reels, you can watch them, like them, comment, and even add other creators' Reels to your story or message them to a friend. To get started, you're going to want to go to your home feed and hit the camera just like you would to add an Instagram story. Then you're going to scroll over to the Reels tab. This is where the magic happens. The controls in Reels allow you to do 5 actions. First is audio, which lets you choose a song from Instagram's catalog. Once you pick a song, you can choose what part of the song you will use for your video by scrolling through the lyrics. One thing to remember is if you want to save your video to your camera roll, it will allow you, however, it will remove the audio track. But don't worry, if you publish the video, they will both be there. The second action is speed, which controls how slow or fast your video records. If you choose 0.3 times and 0.5 times, you will slow down your shot. By choosing 2 times and 3 times, you will speed it up. If you leave it at 1, then it'll be regular speed. The third action is effects, which allows you to add filters to your videos. You can change the effect from clip to clip, and if you scroll all the way to the right, you can select from hundreds of different effects. Next is the timer, which allows you to set the duration you want to record your clip for. Then you have a chance to get ready as the countdown timer lets you know when the clip will start recording. And finally, align. However, Align doesn't show up until you have at least 1 clip recorded. It shows a transparent photo of the last frame in the previous video, so you can use it to align your next clip seamlessly. The record button is front and center. As you record, you will see the red bar on the top of the screen move. This allows you to see how much of your 15-second limit you have left. Your reel can be anywhere from 3 to 15 seconds long. You can move back and forth between the clips and see how they match up, but you can only trim and delete the last clip in the sequence. You don't need to film everything within the app. You can add your own clips from your camera roll and select which part of the video you want to add. Once your clips are all in place, you can then add your graphics. You can change the duration of the graphics and adjust them to the clips that you want to share. If you see faded text in the clip, that means that the text won't appear in a particular clip when you publish the video. Your video is fully edited and you're happy with it, then you can add your captions and tag. Remember, you want your audience to engage with your video, so be sure to ask a question. For your cover image, you can either choose a frame from the video or upload an image from your camera roll. This cover will appear in your Instagram feed as long as you select Also Share to Feed when posting the reel. You don't need to publish right away. You can save drafts of your reels. This is great when you want to batch create reels and post them later. Now that you know how to use Reels, here are some fun video reel ideas that you can start doing. Idea number 1, yes and no. Answer common questions in your industry by shaking yes or no as the text appears on the screen. Reel video idea number 2, before and after. Transformations are really popular online, so show a before and after of something relative to your industry. Reel video idea number 3, snap tips. Pick a really upbeat song and snap your fingers to it. Every time you snap your fingers, show a different tip on a screen with graphics. Do you want to make videos but hate talking to camera? I can help. Sign up for my free Film Yourself Challenge where I teach you how to get comfortable talking to camera. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. I have new videos out every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!